French fries. What makes that? Why does everybody like French fries?
I don't know. It's just one of those things. It's an easy food to eat on the go. It's what everybody likes. Who doesn't like greasy food, salty food? It's just one of those things. Just people love fries.
I think because they're universal, they're easy, they're cheap, they're very tasty.
Because they're hot, salty, and delicious.
Why do you like fries? Why?
We're from England and they're quintessentially American.
Yeah.
So we wanted to taste something that was, I don't know, that we envisaged as key to the American culture. You see lots of fries everywhere, so wanted to try, and you do fries a lot different than we do back home in the UK. So you do lots of toppings, lots of different things, so we tried some fun stuff.
One of those things, just people love fries. I used to go out to food truck rallies and I would see some people stand in line just to order fries because another truck getting off the fries. I was like, it's just something everybody loves. It's one of America's favorites. Americans love burgers and they love fries. So, you can do both of them in a unique way, put a nice twist on it. People should love it.
Tell me about how the two of you guys met.
We met at Johnson & Wales in 2004. We were both from out of town. He's from Columbia, South Carolina. I'm from Virginia. And so 2004, got at Johnson & Wales, trying to do culinary arts there. And we just started working around Charlotte, man.
Yeah.
A couple of years, just working in different restaurants together, separate places. So,
And you a couple of the same as well, too.
yeah. House-made sauce that we made, we call it Yum Yum sauce. And it goes on the shrimp and steak, and mostly people love it because of that sauce.
Yum Yum Coco. What the fries come from.
Do y'all just have fries? That's the biggest question I get personally. Like, is it just fries?
People really like our burgers. We have a mac and cheese burger that's pretty good. Has bacon on it, mac and cheese, Gouda cheese. That's a pretty popular burger too. We do our hand battered chicken tenders. We do that as a sandwich with 2 tenders on it. We also use our special seasoning that we created on the chicken tenders. We have a good following, especially on social media, on Instagram. A lot of people keep up to date with us there, Facebook. You see a lot of the same people, especially at the rallies on Fridays. You see the same people, especially doing places like this. We're here every Thursday. So of course we see the same people every Thursday here.
It's kind of unbelievable how much time has gone by. It's been good times, good and bad.
But you've been open a year. Did you ever expect it to become what it's become?
I was hoping for it. I mean, I felt like with me and his skill and stuff that we know, I felt like what we were doing for restaurants, I felt that we were doing for ourselves. And I felt that we made a good team and it bring a good product.